Hi, in this video, we'll go over how to extract custom fields from your logs. Oftentimes, you need to add more context to a log message by parsing additional fields. EventLog Analyzer comes to your rescue with its Custom Log Parser, which lets you extract additional fields from your logs easily. There are two ways to extract fields using the Custom Log Parser. The first way is through the Search tab. Search for the logs that you need. Then, click on the Tools icon displayed over any log. The second way is through the Import Logs page. Import the logs from the device or application that you need. Click on this icon to view the logs. And then click on the Tools icon again. Over here, we've imported logs from an in-house application. EventLog Analyzer doesn't support this application out of the box, but it still automatically indexes several common fields like the IP address and timestamps from these logs. To further analyze these logs, you might want to extract additional fields such as the file name that you see here. Here's where the Custom Log Parser comes in handy. Let's look at how to extract additional fields using the Custom Log Parser. Simply highlight the field you wish to extract and click on it. Specify a field name and select a suitable prefix and suffix for the field. In this example, all file names are prefixed by file, so that's what I'm selecting here. Providing either or both of these values helps add context to field creation and greatly improves its accuracy. Now click on Create Patterns. EventLog Analyzer generates a set of possible regex patterns to identify and extract the new custom field. To validate a pattern, click on Validate this pattern and check how well the pattern works. In this example, it has correctly identified the file name field from the logs. If a pattern doesn't work for all logs, you can always choose another pattern. When you're done, click Save Pattern. And there you go. Now anytime you import logs from the same application, EventLog Analyzer automatically extracts the new field as well.